Well, g'day everyone. So we're outside of Aussie Off-Road Sydney today at 296 Hume Hwy Lansvale, and I've got a pack of frozen pies with me in my hand, and we're going to go test out the air fryer. Now, we welcome all you guys to come down here to the shop and test out the air fryer yourselves. So come on with me and let's give it a whirl. Okay, so we're inside of Aussie Off-Road Sydney right now, and when you walk in here, you're going to see this lovely guy over here, Mr. Billy. Now, Billy is your air fryer expert, not only just expert, he's also a suspension expert, bull bar expert, and he used to be one of our fitters here at Aussie Off-Road Sydney, but now he's actually inside the store and he can help you out with all you need. So we've got the air fryer right here and we're about to test it out with a frozen meat pie. Now, we've done this before, and with a fawned meat pie, it came out at 30 minutes, but with frozen, we're going to try it out at 35 minutes to be cooked in the air fryer. So let's give it a go. All right, Billy, I've got the air fryer, it's ready to go.
It's always ready to go.
Perfect. So everyone can come down here and test out the air fryer themselves.
Correct. Just come on down, you can show you. Our pie's ready for you here to go. You'll be able to test them out again.
Okay, so we've got our frozen meat pie right here. Now it's in the foil, I'm going to take it out of the foil. Let's put it in. And we're going to give that 35 minutes. While you're waiting, you can pretty much be looking around the store, checking out any bull bars, checking out any suspension work, any lighting. It's all here in the shop. Okay, so that's the bell. We're going to check out this meat pie and just see how it's going. So that was a frozen meat pie in the 12-volt air fryer for 35 minutes. Okay, yeah, we've got a lot of good colour right there. It's been brown. It's cooked from underneath as well. It's very hot. We'll just put that down there. Okay, so we'll just cut that in half and just check how that's gone. Yeah, definitely being cooked right there. Now it's almost non-religious to eat these without tomato sauce, but anyways. It's so hot. And that's cooked perfectly. So that was a frozen meat pie in the 12-volt Rockarmor Air Fryer, 35 minutes. So I'd say if it was a fawned meat pie, maybe just about 30 minutes or 25 minutes in between. But a frozen meat pie, 35 minutes in the Rockarmor 12-volt Air Fryer. Okay guys, so that's the 12-volt fryer in-store test. Come down yourselves, give it a whirl, maybe pre-order one yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the shop.